It's the Unified Project, Linear versus Exponential by Matthew McCabe and Johnny Smith.
Okay, for linear growth, the question is, William has $100 in his bank account. He puts $20 in his bank account every year. How much would he have in 65 years? When will he have $3,000? And for the explicit equation for linear growth, you have to use y equals mx plus b. So the equation is y equals 20 x plus 100, and the next equals now plus 20, and the start is 100. And the answer for the question is, you have to use the equation y equals 20 times 65 plus 100, which is 1,400, and that's how much money he would have left in 65 years. And for the second question, it's y equals 200 times 145 plus 100, which is 3,000.
Yeah, y equals 20 times. I don't know.
You can't even tell because,
Yep.
I don't know what that is. Okay. And here's the graph and the table for the linear growth.
Playing the graph.
Okay. You can obviously tell it's linear because it's straight. Okay.
Yep. Okay. The exponential growth equation is Johnny Smith gets a job offer to work at the local McDonald's down the street. The job offer is $26,500 per year. Johnny is guaranteed an annual pay increase of 4%. At what year will Johnny make $42,427? And on the fifth year, how much will he make? Okay, so the equation is y equals 26,500, in parentheses 1.04% or 1.04, and to the x power. And then the next now equation is x equals now times 1.04. The start is 26,500. Okay, so
you just hit record before, and then
the first question, what year will Johnny make $42,427? You look at the graph, because there's no other way other than guess and check. You have to make the graph and then look at what data point is it at $42,000, and that's the 12th year. And for the second question, it's on the 5th year, how much will he make? Other than that, so you put in the graph, you look at on the 5th year, he makes $32,241.30. And for the first question, you can actually plug in 12. And find out that it's 42,427.
wait, your first name is
Right. For linear decay, the question is, Grace takes $150 out of her bank account every month. How much money would she have left in 15 months if she started with $160,000? When will she have $159,250 in her bank account? So the explicit equation is y equals negative 150 times x plus 160,000, and the now equals next equals now minus 150, and start is 160,000. So for the answer for the first question is, you have to plug 15 as x, and you would get 157,750. And for the second question, you have to use the graph. You have to use the table to find out what the answer is, and that's the answer, 159,250. And
It's the second year.
what? It's the 5th year.
Yeah,
Okay. And the graph is obviously linear and it's negative.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Jimmy John buys a car at the dealership for $135,000. The car decreases in value by 7.5% each year. How much will the car be worth in 5 years? And in what year will the car be worth $84,563? Okay, so for the recursive equation, it's next equals now times 0.075, and in the start would be $135,000. The explicit equation is 135,000, which is the start, times 1 minus 0.0 0.075 into the x power, and yeah. Okay, for the first problem, how much will the car be worth in 5 years? You plug it into the equation, so it would be $135,000 and times 1 minus 0.075 to the 5th power, and you'd find that it would be $91,420. And for the second question, in what year will the car be worth $84,563? You either have to guess and check or make the graph to see that it is $84,000.
We're done.